So this is my Facebook page. This is called my Instagram page. So how to drive my traffic Facebook page to Instagram? Here two ways we can follow the rules. There are two ways. First of all, click for about, where your page about information. In this about information, we can call option call is here. It will be so many options will be there. In this we have click for edit other account. Edit other account. In this click for add account. Here option call is Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Switch, WhatsApp, Line and WeChat. Select by Instagram. In this adding time only for we can select by the username only. Don't select the complete name. Only select by the username and copy paste. Click for save. Once save this one, if anybody come into your profile, click for about. Now click. Your total profile will be open for the Instagram account. They will open will be like this. Is it clear? Anything adding on your Instagram account on your Facebook page, that is called your page to your drive your traffic where Instagram account. Here two advantages. When you are reaching for your Instagram, increase your followers. Second will increase your post likes and views also. So this is called first process. Second one is called go to Facebook page. In this call, select your profile option, click for Instagram. Once click Instagram, the option call is apps. In this app, the showing for Instagram app page for your business and pages purpose. Always remember, we can know about the business and page purpose. Click for use now. How many business you have to create? When coming to here, first click for box sign in. So any Instagram, first when you click the option, click for sign in for box. First of all is very important. Any Instagram will be integrated for the on Facebook page. The option call is box sign in. That is a very important. So first they connect by box admin panel. Just wait for a second. So the software will be facing one problem in the Instagram. So just move on back. So we are adding for your Instagram where on your about option. Yes or no? This is called first option using for your Instagram, generating traffic your Facebook page to Instagram. Second one we can easily adding for tab will be like this, but tag will be not working for your that option. Once the tab will be working, you can add your tab will be Instagram will be like this. So this is called you can drive your traffic Facebook page to your Instagram account. The purpose of Instagram followers increase purpose and post visit purpose. This is the way for adding Facebook to Instagram traffic generation.